Snowshoe hares, white in winter, brown in summer. Deep within the snowy forests of North America, an animal quietly hops through the landscape, almost invisible against the blanket of white. This animal is the snowshoe hare, a fascinating creature known for its ability to change color with the seasons, white in winter, brown in summer. But that's not the only amazing thing about it. With its huge feet that work like snowshoes and its lightning-fast speed, the snowshoe hare is perfectly adapted to survive in harsh environments. Let's dive into the world of the snowshoe hare, where nature's clever camouflage meets survival in the wild. What is a snowshoe hare? The snowshoe hare, Lepus americanus, is a species of hare found in the boreal forests and mountainous regions of North America, from Alaska and Canada down to parts of the northern United States. Unlike rabbits, hares are larger with longer legs and ears, born fully furred with their eyes open, adapted to living in the wild without needing burrows. But what makes the snowshoe hare special? Its seasonal fur color change and its enormous feet, which help it move easily across snow, just like a pair of snowshoes. The magic of seasonal camouflage. One of the snowshoe hare's most incredible features is its ability to change color with the seasons. In summer, its fur is brown with hints of reddish or gray tones, blending perfectly with dirt, rocks, and forest vegetation. As winter approaches, the hare sheds its brown coat and grows a thick, white fur that helps it disappear into the snowy landscape. This transformation isn't controlled by temperature but by daylight hours. As the days get shorter in the fall, a process called molting begins. The same happens in spring when longer days trigger the return of its brown summer coat. Why does this matter? Camouflage helps the snowshoe hare hide from predators like lynxes, foxes, owls, wolves. A hare that blends in is much harder to catch. Snowshoe feet for snowy adventures. The snowshoe hare's large hind feet are another survival superpower. They are extra wide and covered in thick fur, which prevents them from sinking into deep snow. Equipped with strong claws to grip icy surfaces. Perfectly designed for hopping long distances, up to 10 feet in a single bound. This makes the snowshoe hare incredibly fast, reaching speeds of up to 30 miles per hour to escape predators. It can also make sharp, zigzag turns to confuse hunters. Life in the boreal forest. Snowshoe hares live in cold, forested regions filled with coniferous trees like spruce and fir, dense shrubs and underbrush for hiding, snow-covered landscapes during the winter. These forests provide the perfect combination of shelter and food. The hares are mostly nocturnal, meaning they're active at night, dawn, and dusk when it's harder for predators to spot them. What do snowshoe hares eat? Snowshoe hares are herbivores, which means they eat only plants. Their diet changes with the seasons. In summer, they munch on grasses, leaves, ferns, and flowers. In winter, when food is scarce, they eat twigs, bark, and even pine needles from shrubs and trees. They have a special adaptation called camouflage, where they eat their own droppings to digest nutrients more efficiently. It sounds strange, but it helps them survive in harsh environments where food is limited. The predator-prey dance with the lynx. One of the most interesting relationships in nature is between the snowshoe hare and the Canada lynx, its primary predator. Their populations are closely connected in what scientists call a predator-prey cycle. When hare populations are high, lynxes have plenty to eat, so their numbers grow. As more lynxes hunt, the hare population starts to decline. With fewer hares to eat, lynx numbers also drop. As lynx numbers decrease, hares have a chance to rebound, and the cycle starts again. This cycle repeats every 10 years or so. It's a perfect example of how animals are connected in the web of life. Snowshoe hare babies, a quick start in life. Snowshoe hares reproduce rapidly, especially during the warmer months. A female can have up to 3 to 4 litters per year, with each litter containing 1 to 8 babies, called leverets. Unlike rabbits that build underground nests, hares give birth in shallow nests hidden under bushes or grass. The babies are born with fur already covering their bodies, eyes wide open, the ability to hop around within hours of birth. This helps them avoid predators right from the start. Challenges in a changing world. While snowshoe hares have amazing survival skills, they face new challenges because of climate change. Mismatched camouflage. Warmer winters mean less snow, but hares still turn white based on daylight changes. This makes them stand out against brown, snow-free ground, making them easy targets. Habitat loss. As forests change due to human activities, hares lose the dense cover they need for shelter. Changing food sources. Shifts in plant growth patterns affect what hares can eat, especially in winter. Scientists are studying how snowshoe hares are adapting to these changes and what can be done to help them. Fun facts about snowshoe hares. Silent runners. Snowshoe hares move quietly, making them hard to detect even when they're running at top speed. Great jumpers. They can leap up to 10 feet in a single bound and jump vertically to escape danger. Built for cold, their winter fur isn't just for camouflage, it's also incredibly insulating, keeping them warm in freezing temperatures. Big appetite. Despite their small size, they eat a lot to maintain their energy, especially in winter. Why snowshoe hares matter. Snowshoe hares are more than just cute, fluffy animals, they're a key part of their ecosystem. They provide food for predators like lynxes, foxes, owls, and wolves. They help shape plant communities by grazing on different vegetation. Their population cycles help scientists understand the delicate balance of nature. A symbol of adaptation and resilience. The snowshoe hare's ability to change color, leap through snow, and survive harsh winters makes it a symbol of adaptation and resilience. It reminds us of the incredible ways animals evolve to fit their environments, and how fragile that balance can be in the face of environmental change. So, the next time you see snow-covered woods, imagine a snowshoe hare out there, blending in so perfectly that it's almost invisible, nature's disappearing act, hopping quietly through the wild.